Hello, I'm Terry from Fine & Country, and today you join me on this exclusive development situated between Warwick and Leamington Spa. I'm here to show you an executive 5-bedroomed family home which is presented to the highest of standards and has amazing entertaining spaces. If you'd like to follow me inside, I'll give you a tour around. The one thing that I love about this home is that for anybody that does like to entertain and have friends over, we've got this amazing open plan space here. So we have the kitchen, which has got a range of built-in appliances, with a central island here which is ideal for sort of informal breakfast. But then there's a lovely dining area as well, and then to finish the evening with friends, a nice sitting area too. We also have the bifold doors which open out to the rear garden. To the first floor there are 5 good sized bedrooms, one of them currently used as a dressing room, but they're all beautifully presented. Check them out. So you now join me here in the garden. There's a lovely sun terrace here, a nice lawn, there's space for a hot tub, lovely feature walls as well here, but also access into the garden from the double garage and a gate out to the parking which is available for 4 cars. But I love this decking area here, and no better place to finish the evening with a nice glass of fizz. Thank you very much for watching this tour. If you'd like to arrange to have a look at it for yourself, please give me a call. The telephone number is about to follow. Cheers.